YouTube channel. If this is your first time of joining us, you are watching Miss Crafty. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make in today's video, I'll be showing you how to coat this bag. This is actually a clutch made by me, but this time around I'll just show you how this is done. Remember, in last week I showed you how I coated my shoes which were eaten by roaches. That's the skin was eaten by roaches, so I decided to make a matching clutch with it. So I'll show you how this is done. Alright, please stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'd like to hear what you think about my videos in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is if you like what you saw, and if you didn't like it, well, please help me share it to your friends because they might like it.